Today we're going to have a brief chat on a topic which is very close to my heart, which is underarm laser hair reduction in teenaged children. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sirisha Singh. I'm a consultant dermatologist and cosmetic dermatologist. Until a couple of years ago, even I used to scoff at the idea of a 11-year-old girl and a 12-year-old girl undergoing laser hair reduction. But over the past year, my thought process has undergone a radical change, and this is largely because I also have a 12-year-old girl. Telling a 12-year-old girl that she has to live with underarm hair is really not an option, because come summers, they would want to be a normal teenager, they would want to wear their sleeveless tops and they would want to wear their tank tops, and we cannot really stop them from using their sleeveless clothes during summers. So that brings us to what choices do we have to treat the underarm hair and reduce the appearance of underarm hair in children of this age. Hair in any other part of the body, we have five main choices. We have the option of using a razor. A razor is quite quick, it is effective, it is pain-free, it can be done quite efficiently in a shower. But the problem with the razor is there's a high risk of cuts on the skin which can subsequently get infected, and there is a high risk of infections in these razor cuts. The second option we have is the use of chemical depilatory creams. What the chemical depilatory creams do is you apply them on the surface of the skin. They fracture the hair shaft where the hair shaft enters the skin. They are quite effective, but they need to be carried out frequently, and in a lot of girls we need to do it about once a week or maybe once every 10 days. And there's also a very high risk of a chemical dermatitis occurring due to the risk of chemical depilatory creams. The next option is use of an epilator. An epilator is an electric equipment which pulls the hair from the hair follicle itself. The problem with an epilator is it is very painful, and particularly so in the underarm area, and the intensity of pain is often quite unbearable in the underarm area. This leaves us with the options of waxing or use of a laser hair reduction. Waxing can be quite effective, but again it needs to be carried out once every 3 to 4 weeks. The hair reduction with waxing is not permanent, and there is no long-term hair reduction associated with waxing. Also, one needs to go frequently to a parlor or an experienced beautician to get a waxing done. This leaves us with the option of a laser hair reduction. In my opinion, laser hair reduction offers a very good choice for those teenagers and teenagers' moms who are looking for long-term hair reduction. The problem with laser hair reduction in teenagers is the complement of body hair is not complete until a girl has started her menstrual cycles, and for about 2 years after she has had regular menstrual cycles. What this translates to in real life and working is that one needs more than the usual 6 sessions to get laser hair reduction which is permanent and long-lasting in the underarm area. Like for example, if you take a girl at the age of 15 or 16 years, once she has had a full complement of body hair, 6 to 8 sessions of underarm laser hair reduction would achieve a good 90 to 95% reduction of underarm hair. Whereas if the laser is started at a younger age of about 11 or 12 years, they were probably looking at about 10 to 12 sessions or perhaps even more, depending upon how much hair growth the teenager has. Apart from this, laser is a fairly safe procedure. There is no risk of skin cancers as it is non-ionizing radiation. As long as the laser reduction is being done by an experienced person, it is easily tolerated by the child. There is no real pain. However, if pain is an issue, one can also use a numbing gel, as at this age children are generally more sensitive to pain than adults are. For underarm laser hair reduction, the process in which it works is as follows. We first mark out the area of hair-bearing skin with a red pen. We then use a razor to raise the hair from the surface of the skin. A lot of people worry that using a razor might increase the hair growth, but since this is followed immediately with a laser, that worry is completely unfounded and it does not increase the hair growth. And while one is undergoing laser sessions, a razor would be used on the skin only for the number of sessions that the laser is being carried out, which could be your 6, 8 or 10 sessions. After the hair has been raised out from the surface of the skin, we use ice to cool down the skin, apply a thin layer of a cooling gel on the surface of the skin. The idea of icing the skin and applying a cooling gel is to cool down the skin to minimize the risk of side effects with the laser. We then run the laser on the marked area of the skin. Each shot of the laser feels like a snap of a rubber band or like a bite of a mosquito. It is usually not very painful. For an underarm, typically one takes about 20 minutes or maximum of 30 minutes to cover both the underarms. At the end of the laser session, the area could be red. There may be slight red bumps on the surface of the skin. The redness and the bumpiness usually settles down in a couple of hours. The aftercare that we recommend is you use a moisturizer regularly. Apart from the use of a moisturizer in the underarm area, you can go back to your usual lifestyle. There is no difference to your soaping, shampooing, taking a bath, or even swimming is not an issue after a laser session. The redness, the bumpiness usually settles down within a couple of hours. There are no long-term risks with the laser. The only risk is that of a laser burn, which could happen in about 2%, that is in 2 out of every 100 people who undergo a laser hair reduction. If you are one of those unfortunate 2 out of 100, then you will find that you have a black mark, which usually fades away in a couple of weeks or so and does not leave any permanent marks on your skin. In my opinion, given the choices, the choice one really has for underarm hair reduction is between waxing and using a laser hair reduction. If cost is not an issue, I would strongly recommend going for a laser hair reduction in the underarm area in your teenage child. If you have any more details that you wish to understand about a laser hair reduction, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below. Thank you.